The Cowboy Channel is a network dedicated completely to cowboys and the Western way of life, and it's fittingly located right here in the stockyards of Fort Worth, Texas. The Cowboy Channel studio inside what used to be the auction barn. Let's take a look. Staying true to the history of this building, you can see that we're in what used to be the scales. This is what the auction barn used to look like. And now, it's the Cowboy Channel studio with the latest in TV technology. And as the crew prepares for the next show, that's only one of the capabilities this studio has, which can all take place in front of a live audience. Well, they tell me not to push any buttons in here, but check out this control room. I can't wait until we fill up all these screens with rodeos from across the country. Trigger, the smartest horse in the movies, now has his home in the Cowboy Channel studio. This room not only has a great view of the old wooden corrals here in the stockyards, but it's a perfect place for our guests to get ready for shows. While you wait, you can join me here in the green room. With state-of-the-art equipment and nearly 400 seats, come visit us here at the Cowboy Channel studio. It is the perfect place for us to shine the light on all things Western sports.